Hello everyone, this is Maitri Bharadwaj and today we are going to discuss about the human respiratory system. We all know that humans they have a well developed respiratory system. So here we go. See, we all have a pair of external nostrils opening out above the upper lips. Let me show you this one. We all have a pair of external nostrils which is present above our upper lips. This one. It leads to the nasal chamber through the nasal passage. This is the nasal chamber and this is through the nasal passage. The nasal chamber opens into the pharynx and we all know this pharynx is the common opening for esophagus and the windpipe, right? And this pharynx, it then open through the larynx region into the trachea. Here somewhere you will find the larynx and then this straight portion is forming the trachea region. This larynx is a cartilaginous box which help in the sound production and hence it is also called as a sound box. Now during the swallowing, we all know during the swallowing the glottis is covered by a flap like structure which is called as epiglottis just to prevent the entry of the food in the windpipe, right? Now this trachea is a straight tube that extend up to the mid-thoracic cavity, okay? That extend to the mid-thoracic cavity and it divides at the level of fifth thoracic vertebra. So this is a fifth thoracic vertebra. Now this trachea, it further divides into the bronchi. So we have here. Look, I'll take a look over here. See, this is the trachea. Okay, this is a mid-thoracic cavity. It divides at the fifth thoracic vertebrae and then it divides itself into the left and the right bronchi. And the bronchi further, it divides itself into the secondary, then in tertiary and then terminal bronchi and then it has a sac-like structure which is called as the alveoli. You know, friends, that this alveoli is the main region of the exchange of the gases between the blood and the lungs. Okay, here there is the real exchange of O2 and CO2 takes place. We all know that this is the double membrane structure that protects that surrounds the lungs and which is known as the pleural membrane. Now this is a double membrane. So between these two layers there is a pleural fluid over here that protect the lungs, that reduces the friction on the lung surface. So here we have talked about the respiratory system, its part and how and where they are present. Now see, this from your nasal chamber, from your nostrils to the hair, to the bronchioles, this whole part, it forms the conducting part. Okay, it forms the conducting part. See, this we have done. Okay, alveoli, they are very thin, irregularly walled and vascularized bag-like structure. Then we have this conducting part where this external nostril to bronchioles. What its aim is to transport the air to the bronchioles, to clear it from the foreign particles, to humidify the air and bring it to the body temperature. On the other side, we have this respiratory part where the alveoli and their ducts, they form the respiratory parts and actual diffusions of O2 and CO2 takes place between the blood and the atmosphere. So, guys, in this much information is for you. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much.